ओके, सो नाउ वी विल सी द न्यूमेरिकल्स. उससे पहले आपको थोड़ा साइन कन्वेंशंस मालूम होने का. साइन कन्वेंशंस, already the sign convention is same as that of mirror only. Okay, so no need of writing, but understand, for convex lens, is a convex lens, right? Focal length will be how much? Positive or negative for convex lens? Focal length will be positive or negative. देखो, you have to remember, like, this is the first surface and this is the second surface, right? Lens has two surfaces, first surface, second surface. You always check the first surface for focal length sign convention. देखो, first surface is forming the sphere on the right side, right? First surface is forming the sphere on the right side. That's why focal length for convex lens is positive. याद रखने के लिए I'm telling. Okay. Similarly, for concave lens, the first surface forming the sphere on the left side. So F is negative. These numericals में these are helpful. आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स फॉर्मूला तो आता है सब लोग को, बट मिस्टेक करेगा साइन कन्वेंशंस. 10th क्लास में लाइट प्रॉब्लम आया तो यू हैव टू यूज द साइन कन्वेंशंस, देन ओनली फॉलो दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो दिस इज अ कॉन्वेक्स लेंस and this is concave lens. Convex lens is also called as which lens?
Converging.
Converging lens. That is diverging lens. Okay, and U is always negative. U is nothing but object distance, always negative लेने का. And इधर भी कोई भी होने दो, U is always negative. Whenever object is given, you should take like this. Okay, खत्म. ये साइन फॉलो करना. And height of the image above the principal axis means you take as positive, and height of the image above वाला positive. I can do this. Size above principal axis is taken as positive in both of them, and below wala size below principal axis is taken as negative, right? Height above the principal axis is taken as positive, below wala negative. These are same sign conventions we have to use for concave mirrors, convex mirrors. Same thing we are here also, same thing. Left side negative, yaad hai na, I told you, x axis and y axis. Right side is, you should take as positive, right? This side is positive, so this side is positive, and if you are putting left side, it is negative. And above principal axis is taken as positive, and below principal axis is taken as negative.
Like the Cartesian plane?
What?
Like the Cartesian plane?
Cartesian plane is same mirror में ऐसा ही किया ना, same thing. So that's why I'm not making anything, only like same copy paste कर सकते हैं in the before and after का. Okay, so but focal length only you should understand. Focal length is convex lens का positive and concave lens का negative, and U is negative. And image, so we will find the image. So that positive negative depends on the where is the object placed. Okay, and magnification अगर positive आए तो what we can say? Magnification positive means the image is virtual and erect. And if magnification is negative means the image is real and inverted. Virtual and erect, this is real and inverted. अब न्यूमेरिकल्स में देखने वाला है पूरा.
So there is size above the principal axis and the size below the principal axis, same for convex and concave. I mean,
yes, same for convex and concave. Okay, यही same है. Object distance always, object का you are putting size will be above only, always positive will be there, height of the object. Okay, mirror formula anybody याद है? Mirror formula का
1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u.
Okay, magnification
Minus v by u.
or
Or
equal to
P by
hi by
hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. देखो उधर प्लस आया मिरर फॉर्मूला में, दैट्स वाई इधर माइनस आएगा, माइनस v by u. अभी एग्जैक्टली उल्टा, इन लेंस में एग्जैक्टली उल्टा हो गया वाला. यस, देखो हियर लेंस फॉर्मूला एंड मैग्निफिकेशन. सो लेंस फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, where u is called as object distance. Object distance. And v is image distance. And last one, f is focal length. Focal length. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by v. Since you got minus here, then magnification formula will be here plus में आएगा. ऐसे रिमेंबर करो, इधर माइनस आए तो इधर प्लस आएगा, प्लस आए तो माइनस आएगा. मिरर में प्लस था, दैट्स व्हाई माइनस यू गॉट. ये लेंस में माइनस है, इधर प्लस यू गॉट. hi by h equal to v by u. hi is called height of the image, ho is called height of the object. Height of the object. So these two formulas will help you to calculate the image distance, vagara, everything we can calculate. But before applying the formula, first draw the diagram, sign conventions use, and then substitute. LCM तो आता है ना आपको कैलकुलेट करना. LCM you can find. कब बेटा h by h is equal to v by u. चलो न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे based on this one. चलो लेंस. So write the given content properly with sign conventions. Then only you can able to solve. देखो, object 5 centimeters in length is held 25 centimeters away from the converging lens. So tell me, converging lens means what is which lens? Convex lens. So बाजू में always try to draw the convex lens, because exam में फाइनल एग्जाम में समटाइम्स टेंशन हो जाएगा, लेंस मिरर भूल जाएगा, वो लोग समथिंग ड्रॉ करके प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई डायग्राम लिया तो मिनिमम आपको देखना पड़ सकता है. ओके, सो नेम इट बाजू में ऑप्टिकल सेंटर f1 to f1 f2 to f2. Okay, this is the lens. Okay, object 5 centimeters in length, मतलब what is given? Object 5 centimeters. हाँ,
height of object.
हाँ, हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. देखो लेंथ बोला ना, लेंथ साइज एवरीथिंग 5 सेंटीमीटर्स लेंथ, मतलब हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. Height of the object is always we are putting above, right? Like above the principal axis only. That's why you should take plus. So plus 5 centimeters is given to you. Always with sign conventions important. ये आ गया तो question में easily. I held 25 centimeters away from the converging lens. मतलब what is given? 25 centimeters away I placed. That is the object distance. Okay. So object distance ko symbol is u. U is 25 centimeters. Right or wrong? 25 centimeters. Right or wrong?
Minus 25.
Minus 25. U is always minus. सीधा माइनस नहीं लगा तो मार्क्स गया लास्ट एग्जाम में. सो अंडरस्टैंड, स्कूल में जाएगा इफ यू डोंट पुट माइनस, साइज देख लो. ओके, u is minus. Okay, now focal length is 10 centimeters. Focal length for convex lens is positive or negative?
Positive.
So plus 10. Okay, he is telling to find position, size, nature. वही काम है उसका, कुछ नहीं है. Find the position,
Sir?
size, nature.
So, sir, for position and size, if they ask an exam, so position means position means lens formula, and size means magnification.
Yes,
So
that's
can
it.
you just write between f1 and
No,
2f?
no, और जरूरत नहीं. When the given data like this given, we should say how many centimeters it will fall. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So he's telling to find position, size, nature means v कितना find करो. Use the lens formula, bring properly and tell the answer.
There is V 16.6.
Yes, good. 2 decimal बोलने का always. तो कितना है 16.6. ठीक है 66 आया ऐसा कुछ आया
Sir, 16.67.
67. Okay, चलो. Okay, V. But fraction में how much you got? This is centimeters, right? Fraction में कितना है? 50/3, right? हाँ. So आपको प्रॉब्लम्स करने समय आपको फ्रैक्शन में रहने दो, अगेन डेसिमल में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. ओके ऐसे रहने दो, बट आंसर शुड बी इन डेसिमल. इधर तक लिख दिया ना हो जाए, रुको. ओके एंड नाउ टेल मी पोजीशन साइज. साइज मींस किसका? इमेज का साइज, राइट? एच आई वी हैव टू फाइंड.
Sir, is it 3.33 centimeters?
देखेंगे. So ये तो यूज करेगा 1/f is equal to 1/v minus 1/u यूज करके we'll get this one. And here we can use magnification is equal to hi/ho is equal to v/u. So v you know, u you know, ho you know, substitute and find hi.
Sir, is it 0.66?
कौन सा h है ना?
A mag.
Magnification नहीं चाहिए, size चाहिए. Size means hi we have to find. So hi by ho how much is given? Pi is equal to v is 50/3 by u is how much? Minus 25 by 1. You can take reciprocal and solve. So hi is equal to 50/3 into 1 by minus 25 by 5. Okay. So कितना होगा? So 75, right? 25 2 जाओ.
250
So
by
minus 2/3 into 5. When I send this side. So hi is equal to minus 10/3. So it is how much? 3 minus 3.33, right? Aya? 3.33 centimeters. Okay. Now tell me about nature, whether it is real and inverted or virtual vector.
Real and inverted.
Real
Why?
and inverted.
Why?
It's negative.
Which one negative?
So magnification.
Magnification hi/ho or hi also we can tell, right? Image is minus means downwards are. Height of the image is downwards. Okay. How can you check? I told you. How can you check without knowing this one? How can you check? Whether right or wrong बोल के. Viraj, बोलो. Why silent today? बोलो answers. How can you check without knowing? मतलब whether you, after doing the problem you got the answer. How to check whether right or wrong?
You can just take like whatever length they have given onto the ray diagram to see.
Again substitute.
No, for like example, if the focal length is given as 10 and the object
Yes.
distance is 25, so we know that it's beyond 2f1, so you can use
Yes.
that ray diagram to find out.
Very good. देखो focal length is 10. From here to here it is 10, right? Then double इधर से इधर तक double रहेगा ना? So इधर से तक कितना होगा? 20, right? Okay. 25 centimeters means object किधर रहेगा? Beyond 2f1. So beyond 2f1, you know the right side form होगा. And v will be आपको कितना है? Negative रहेगा ना? Positive negative. Right side is the positive, right? So we got देखो positive value we got, right? That means our answer is right. Okay. So with the help of ray diagram, you can by seeing the sign convention, we can check whether right or wrong बोल के. एग्जाम में एक बार चेक करे तो यू विल बी इन satisfied में ओके इज राइट ओनली बोल के, नहीं तो एक एक बार स्मॉल स्मॉल मिस्टेक से प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. आगे सब लोग को गॉट, सब आया, आपको आया? गॉट राइट?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
या चलो.
So can we leave the final fraction or should
डायग्राम जरूरत नहीं है, डायग्राम फर्स्ट इनिशियली फॉर साइन कन्वेंशंस के लिए वी आर यूजिंग दिस वन. ओके चलो. A convex lens of focal length 10 centimeters is placed at distance this much. How far from the lens should an object be placed so that it forms a real image of the wall? Now what is given? What are the things? What is given? Convex lens is given. That's why convex lens draw कर रहा है. करो and tell answer.
Sir, is V60?
V60 wrong.
Sir, it's minus 60. Sir.
What? V?
U, sir.
Okay, देखेंगे.
Sir, I got positive 60.
Okay, V या?
U.
Okay. A convex lens of focal length is given as 10 centimeters. So focal length it is positive plus 10. Is placed, the convex lens is placed at distance of 12 centimeters from the wall. Wall से 12 centimeters दूर में he placed is a wall, a convex lens है. Okay. How far of the lens should an object be placed? He is asking U. U is how much? So that it forms a real image. So देखो ये convex lens is placed so that 12 centimeters from the wall, so that image is formed on the wall, because real image, right? Real image should be formed on the screen, right? So wall के ऊपर गिरने का मतलब V is positive नहीं हुआ, positive नहीं हुआ, उस तरफ form हो गया, right side or left side? Which direction is forming? Convex lens is placed here. Image should form on the right side. Right side you should take as positive. So plus 12 centimeters. And find U. Viraj, understanding? How should an object be placed? So U is asking. Always V nahi hai. Anything you can ask. On the video, Viraj. Siddharth on the video. Find Siddharth. Use the formula and solve. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So U find करेंगे. So 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by U. Now solve and find u. Channel plus 60 is wrong.
Sir, U is minus 60.
Minus 60 is answer right. Aya? Adya, you got?
No, sir.
इसमें इधर तक understood है?
Yes, sir.
but इसमें क्या है? ये लेके आओ, इधर लेके आओ. Answer will get.
Yes, I'm doing.
करो.
Sir, I'm getting minus 0.16.
मतलब centimeters में बोलो.
Oh.
Because all are centimeters only. Again, no need of converting meters. Answer will be in centimeters. So if you solve, you will get 60 centimeters. Minus 60. So u is equal to minus 60 centimeters. आया सब लोग?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yeah.
Sir,
चलो करो. हाँ?
u equal to minus 60.
Yes. So sometimes you also they can ask. Sometimes we also you have to ask. So you should be very careful. Either real image बोल के दिया, that's why taken as positive. If they tell virtual image, you should take v as negative and solve. So sign conventions properly you have to use. चलो. Now without help करो. Again convex lens. Now I'll give concave also. Convex lens of focal length is given. Calculate the distance of the object. Okay. If the lens in the image is formed on the opposite side of the lens at a distance of this much. Okay. What is the nature of image? Solve करो. मतलब value wise you should talk. So calculate the distance of the object. So you is asking. Here V is positive or negative? It is forming on the opposite side of the lens.
Positive.
Positive. Good. It is forming on the opposite side of the lens. So that definitely it is a positive. V is positive. So plus how much is given? 25 centimeters. No. 70 centimeters. And focal length is positive. 25 centimeters. Now solve. Find you. Every question they only ask position, size, nature.
Sir, but they did not ask what is u.
Mari, calculate the distance of the object means.
Oh yeah, okay.
बाजू में they should give what is u.
Okay, okay.
Sir, is u minus 37.5?
Minus 37.5. Yes.
37.5.
And nature क्या है इसका?
Sir,
Real and nature.
Real. So without normally calculate करना है पड़ेगा, but without also you can tell, right? ये उस तरफ वाले बोलते real and nature आएगा, right? Got a answer is 37 minus 37.5. Siddharth getting a use the formula same. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by 25 is equal to 1 by 75 minus 1 by u. So minus 1 by u, if you send this side, 1 by u is equal to 1 by 75 minus 1 by 25. Now solve, you'll get the answer. 25 is LCM, right? So kitna hoga? 1 minus 3 by 75. So it is minus 2 by 75 is nothing but 1 by u, right? So if you do cross multiply, you will get as u equal to minus 75 by 2, that is 37 minus 37.5 centimeters. Understood? Yeah. किसी को doubt है? Are they getting right? You got right. Sorry.
Yes.
Akash understood right? चलो एक काम करो. हाँ ठीक है करो. Tell the answer without help. Find the nature, position, and height of the image.
Minus 0.5 height of image. So you're muted.
V, how much you got?
I got 1 second, sir. We have 30 centimeters.
Yes, correct.
No, so height of image is minus
Height of the
0.5.
image. Height of the image check करो एक बार.
Sir, height of image 4.5 centimeters.
Minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus 4.5 आएगा.
So nature is real and inverted and magnified.
Yes, good. Calculation machine समझ में आ रहा है विराज? ये पूरा प्रैक्टिस से निकल जाएगा पूरा. थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो. होमवर्क नहीं दिया तो भी आप थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस किया तो अच्छा रहेगा. एवरग्रीन में if you starting से if you wherever the numericals comes if you do practice किया तो अगर 10 प्रॉब्लम करने से आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा इजी बोल के. लाइट इज वेरी सिंपल चैप्टर. ओनली वेरी सिंपल. ओके हो गया. अगर सेम कॉनकेव है तो आपको एफ के जगह में माइनस डालना पड़ेगा. एफ के जगह में माइनस. दैट्स इट. रिमेनिंग सेम सेम.
So instead of multiplying 3 and 30, I divided them.
ओके गॉट आ सके आपको.
No, sir, 1 second.
क्या कर. So HO they given as 3 centimeters. is placed 20 centimeters from the convex lens. So U is minus 20 centimeters. Focal length for convex lens का positive है, so plus 12 centimeters. Find the nature, V find कर रहे हैं. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by. So 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by minus 20. So minus of minus plus 20. So if you send this side, so 1 by V is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. If we solve, you'll get the answer V as plus 30 centimeters. आता है ना LCM लगा के सॉल्व करने का. Find the nature आने के बाद आपको height of the image also find करो. If it is negative, we can say directly it is a real inverted wave. Adya, you got a?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sure. Last topic, small topic is there. Learn karo. Power of lens. Power of lens. See, power of lens बोले तो anybody? हम लोग spectacle shop जाते हैं ना, they will tell power, इतना power है बोल के. What is mean the power of lens? Whenever you go for a spectacle shops, they go on putting the specs, they'll tell to read ABC वगैरह पढ़ो बोलते हैं. So आपको if you go on putting the lenses, first initially you can't able to see, right? बाद में when you go on, he's changing the power increase करके एक जगह में you will see that I can see the letters बोल के आपको बोलेगा. You can see that A B C बोल के पढ़ेगा. Okay. So how much the light is converging, or if I use concave lenses, how much light is diverging? That degree of convergence or divergence is given by the power of lens. How much converge हो रहा है, वो lens कितना capacity है converge करने का, and diverge करने का कितना capacity है. That is called power of lens. Okay. So लिखो, the degree of convergence or divergence of a light rays achieved by the lens is expressed in terms of power. So we'll express power in terms of कितना divergence है, कितना convergence है. That is given by the power. तो सिंपल डेफिनेशन इज देयर, उसको क्या है, द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ फोकल लेंथ इज कॉल्ड पावर ऑफ लेंस. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ फोकल लेंथ इज कॉल्ड पावर ऑफ लेंस. इसका एसआई यूनिट एनीबॉडी, इसका एसआई यूनिट ऑफ पावर ऑफ लेंस का बोलो.
So I don't know the pronunciation.
कितना कितना?
I don't know the pronunciation.
ओके, प्रोनाउंसिएशन स्पेलिंग बोल सकते.
Diopter something.
डायोपीटर नहीं,
Something wrong.
डायोप्टर.
Yeah.
डायोप्टर. ओके. सो इसका एसआई यूनिट इज डायोप्टर. सो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा इसका? P is equal to 1 by F. We have to use only when F is meters. If P is equal to 100 by F, we have to use F is in centimeters. वो याद रखो. That's it. Power of lens का फॉर्मूला है 1 by F. If F should be in meters, you have to use 1 by F. If F is in centimeters, use 100 by F. So power of lens का definition, reciprocal of, देखो reciprocal of focal length is called power of lens. Sometimes exam में they'll ask, what is one diopter? So one diopter आने के लिए focal length should be 1, right? So कैसे लिखेंगे? Reciprocal of unit focal length is called one diopter. Unit focal length is 1. If F is 1, then only we'll get one diopter, right? So लिखो reciprocal of diopter, one diopter का definition लिखो. Reciprocal of unit focal length is called one diopter.
So reciprocal of unit.
Unit focal length is called 1 diopter. I can f is in meters, right? So I can write like this: 1 diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse, because meter का ऊपर गया तो meter inverse, right? So this is 1 diopter. Reciprocal of unit focal length is called as 1 diopter. Okay. Suppose मान लो, हो गया सब लोग लिखना. Suppose मान लो we went for a doctor checked eyes, check करके he has given the concave lens, आपका concave lens लेने का power of lens, the focal length is given to you. He has prescribed concave lens. Okay, he has given focal length as 20 centimeters. He find the power find करो.
100 by 20, which is 5.
5 diopter. Right or wrong?
-5.
Okay, right or wrong? So I will answer. Doctor prescribed concave lens.
-5.
-5. -5 is answer. Okay, should be very careful. इसी में mistake करेगा. People क्या करेगा? 5 बोल के लिखेगा. Some people 1/f, 1/20 लिखेगा. 1/20 नहीं use करने का generally, because f should be in meters only. Then only use here. Here centimeters में दिया. 100/f use करेंगे. 100 by focal length for concave lens is negative, right? So 100 by -20. So it is -5 diopter. So it is 100 by -20. It is -5 diopter. So may I understood? So this is a complete chapter of light. Light chapter done successfully. Pura 10th class ka.